Welcome to the Python Roadmap full course. Many people start learning Python, but after a few weeks they get confused. Should they learn web development? Should they learn AI and machine learning? Or should they learn automation and scripting? Without a roadmap, most beginners jump between tutorials and never become job ready. In this video, I will show you the complete Python roadmap from beginner to professional. So, what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language used for web development, artificial intelligence, automation, data science, backend APIs, cybersecurity tools. The career paths in Python can be backend developer, data scientist, AI/ML engineer, automation engineer, DevOps engineer. How can we start learning Python? We have to practice daily. We have to build projects. We have to read some documentation if required, and we can also share our codes on GitHub. So the companies using Python include Netflix, Google, Instagram, Spotify. Python is popular because it is simple, readable, and powerful. Now let us see how we can set up the environment for running our Python codes. We can download Python from the Python website www.python.org. We can install the Python from here and add Python to path, and we can finally verify the installation using the syntax python dash dash version. Another way is by using code editors like VS Code. So VS Code or Visual Studio Code is a popular editor for Python with extensions support. It has integrated terminals and debugging tools. Then we have online Python, where we can compile Python codes online using Google Colab and other online compilers like the one given here. We are going to write our first Python program, hello.py. We are going to print hello world using Python. So the first option is to download Python. We can go to the python.org website and we can download Python from here. We can click on Python install manager, or we can get the standalone installer by clicking here. Our Python will start downloading, and we have to, this is the exe file, and we have to install the Python on our machines, add the path, and we can start using Python directly in our CMD terminal. Next is Visual Studio Code. We can download Visual Studio from here. This is how Visual Studio looks. After installing, we can click on Open Folder. We can create a folder over here for our Python files. I'll select this folder and click on Select Folder. So here is my folder which has opened in this window. Now I can click on this new file and I can create this file hello.py and write print hello world. So this is the first line of code and I can run this. Here we can see that our output is getting printed. So in this way, we can run our codes in the Visual Studio. Another option is online Python compiler. So here we can also use Python. So here we can use, here we can write Python codes and the output window shows us the output. Another option is the last option that I want to discuss is using Google Colab. So here we can click on new notebook, and here we can see that our new notebook has opened. You can give it a name, and you can start coding over here. So the syntax for printing is print within brackets and within quotes hello world. So for texts we need quotes, and we can run this code, and we can see that hello world has been printed. The next line. So for learning purpose we can use this Colab very easily. The next lesson that we are going to learn is Python fundamentals.